Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now, Thanksgiving's done and dusted, but you know what that means? You've got a fridge overflowing with enough leftovers to feed a bloody army. But don't you dare think about letting those precious ingredients go to waste. We're about to transform your leftovers from drab to fab. Today, we're on a mission to tackle those Thanksgiving leftovers head on, turning them into culinary masterpieces that'll have you thanking your lucky stars. Listen, we've all been there. The post-Thanksgiving food coma, the mountain of dishes, and the daunting sight of a fridge bursting at the seams. But trust me, with a little bit of creativity and a whole lot of flavor, we're going to turn this leftover chaos into a culinary triumph. We're talking mouth-watering meals that are so delicious, you'll forget they were ever leftovers in the first place. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your aprons, and let's get this kitchen rocking. We're about to show you how to make the most of every last scrap, turning your Thanksgiving leftovers into a week's worth of culinary delights. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, let's be honest, we've all been there. Staring into the abyss of a stuffed refrigerator, wondering how on earth we're going to conquer this mountain of food. That's right, I'm talking about those Thanksgiving leftovers. You've got turkey coming out of your ears, enough stuffing to build a fort, and enough cranberry sauce to sink a battleship. But don't you dare reach for the bin just yet. This isn't the time to wave the white flag. We're tougher than that, aren't we? We're going to transform this so-called problem into an opportunity to flex those culinary muscles and create some truly stunning dishes. Because, let's be honest, wasting food is never an option. It's time to put those leftovers to good use and show them who's boss. Now let's talk turkey, literally. That beautiful bird is the star of the show, and we're going to make it shine even brighter. First things first, shred that leftover turkey. It's incredibly versatile, and will be the base for a whole week of delicious meals. Think hearty turkey soup with chunky vegetables, creamy turkey pot pie topped with golden puff pastry, or even a vibrant turkey salad sandwich on crusty bread. And don't you dare forget about those sides. That stuffing, perfect for stuffing mushrooms or peppers for a tasty appetizer. Cranberry sauce, mix it with some chipotle peppers for a spicy glaze for chicken or pork. Mashed potatoes. Hello, shepherd's pie topping or homemade gnocchi. We're talking endless possibilities, people. Listen, I know what you're thinking, Gordon. I can't possibly eat all these leftovers before they go bad. And you know what? You're right. That's where our trusty friend the freezer comes in handy. Portion out those leftovers into meal-sized containers. This is key, people. No one wants to defrost a whole vat of soup for a single serving. Label those containers with the date and contents so you know exactly what's lurking in the icy depths. Trust me, there's nothing worse than playing culinary roulette with an unlabeled container. Now stack those bad boys neatly in the freezer and boom! You've got ready-to-go meals for those days when you can't be bothered to cook. Now let's talk about that refrigerator, shall we? It's time to channel our inner organization guru and create a system that would make even Marie Kondo proud. First things first, visibility is key. Transfer those leftovers into clear containers. This way you can see exactly what you have and avoid the dreaded out of sight, out of mind syndrome. Next up, embrace the power of the first in, first out method. The oldest leftovers go at the front of the fridge like a culinary game of Tetris. This ensures that nothing gets forgotten about and ends up growing its own ecosystem in the back corner. Hit that subscribe button for more tips. Listen, I love a good leftover feast as much as the next person, but sometimes even I have to admit defeat. If you're truly drowning in leftovers, don't be afraid to share the love. Package up portions for friends, family, or neighbors. It's a great way to spread some holiday cheer and lighten your load at the same time. And hey, if you're feeling extra generous, consider donating non-perishable items to your local food bank or shelter. There are plenty of people in need who would be incredibly grateful for a delicious meal. Alright, let's talk storage, because a well-organized fridge is a happy fridge. Invest in some stackable containers. They're a lifesaver when it comes to maximizing space. And don't forget about those trusty freezer bags. They're perfect for storing soups, sauces, and even individual portions of mashed potatoes. Now, when it comes to arranging your fridge, prioritize those items that need to be eaten first. Got some fresh herbs that are about to wilt? Move them to the front and center. Leftover gravy? Make sure it's easily accessible so you don't forget about it. Remember, a well-organized fridge means less food waste and more delicious meals. Listen, sometimes even the most organized fridge needs a little extra help, especially during the post-Thanksgiving chaos. That's when it's time to think outside the box, or rather, outside the fridge. Got a cooler lying around? Put it to good use. It's a fantastic temporary storage solution for non-perishable items or chilled drinks, freeing up valuable space in your fridge. And don't underestimate the power of your pantry. Canned goods, jars of cranberry sauce, and boxes of stuffing mix can all be stored in a cool, dry place until you're ready to use them. Remember earlier when we talked about sharing the love? Well, I meant it. Don't let those leftovers go to waste when there are plenty of hungry mouths out there. Invite friends or family over for a casual leftovers potluck. Everyone brings their favorite Thanksgiving dish, and you get to enjoy a second round of holiday feasting without lifting a finger. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, pack up those leftovers picnic style and head out for a scenic autumnal feast in the park. Fresh air, good food, and even better company. What's not to love? Listen, Thanksgiving is a marathon, not a sprint. And it's important to give yourself permission to relax and recharge afterwards. Don't feel pressured to jump right back into your regular routine. Allow yourself some downtime to unwind and savor those lingering holiday vibes. Order takeout, curl up on the couch with a good book, or simply enjoy the peace and quiet of a clean kitchen. Remember, self-care is essential, especially after a whirlwind of holiday festivities. As the last of the turkey disappears and the fridge returns to its normal, less chaotic state, take a moment to reflect on the joy and laughter that Thanksgiving brought. Remember those heartwarming conversations, the shared laughter around the table, and the feeling of gratitude for loved ones near and far. These are the memories that truly matter, the ones that will sustain us long after the last of the leftovers are gone. So, cherish those moments, and remember that Thanksgiving is more than just a meal, it's a celebration of togetherness, gratitude, and the simple pleasures in life. Well, there you have it, folks. We've tackled those Thanksgiving leftovers like culinary warriors, transforming them from humble scraps into a week's worth of delicious meals. Remember, a little bit of creativity and a whole lot of flavor can go a long way. Now, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. From my kitchen to yours, happy cooking. And remember, as always, make it delicious.